Hey, Thomas here, and I'd like to talk a little bit about content creation. I am by no means an expert. What I do know is there can be quite a bit of research that you need to do before you start writing, so you can accumulate many folders of different files. You take all those files and build your ebook, blog posts, or whatever you're creating your content for. It's a pain, to be honest, to keep track of everything in multiple folders. Hopefully, you never accidentally delete a file you need later. DocXtreme keeps all your research within the document itself. No more having to find the files or accidentally deleting them. Let's take a quick look. DocXtreme works similar to any word processor. Like as you can see, this is a Web Connect it's a help documentation for a software I created. Where it becomes pretty interesting is when we create comments. So we have a comment here. We can create comments just by highlighting different sections of a paragraph and create a new comment. That's normal in most word processors. We want to be able to refer this particular comment to maybe a PDF file that we used for information to write this paragraph, or a video, or a website. And we can attach different types of documents to this comment. By clicking the documents, you'll see if we click off of it, that documents disappears. But if we click on the documents, we can click on it. Now we can attach more Word documents to this: spreadsheets, PDF files, videos, local videos, diagrams, mind maps, pictures, Kanban to-do lists. Say you have a to-do list that you want to finish before you can finish a particular part of the book. You can actually attach a to-do list right in there. That way, when you're done, you can just go right to writing your content. Oh, clicked off of it. Project management with using a Gantt. If you need to manage a particular part, if you're waiting for content or images or graphics from a graphic designer, you can use the management right there. Scheduler and a website. The website actually allows you to, let's open it up. So if this one particular website helped us with this paragraph and content, we can actually add it to the document. Oh, let's add my website. Okay, now it just shows the website here, but what's nice about having your website in DocXtreme is you can actually add notes about the website. So if there's something particular that you want to take note of for a particular website, you can just type in this note right here, and we can add additional links. So if we close that, save, you'll see it popped up under the attached. So if we clicked off of it and click back on, we have that website attached, and we can reopen it just by clicking it. I'll go to that web page, and I'll have our note right there. So if we click on this document, we have a picture already added. Let's open that up. This is something I screenshotted, and I added you can add different. I like this for when I want to point out where to click on something. So I'll take a screenshot of it, add an arrow to it, fill it within a different style. We'll save it. Now we can add this picture to the document by save as clipboard. And down here you can see we have our different documents open. So if we click home, we go back to the main document and say we want to add that picture there. So we just Control V, paste, and now our picture's there. Let's go down. Let's say we have another comment there. We have a to-do list. We want to do a couple things before we finish this section up. So we can click our to-do list for that section. You can also change these by clicking edit. So we have different statuses and labels if you want to change it. So click save and close. Say we want to add a PDF. We've got this information from a particular PDF, so we can open up that PDF file whenever we need to. And there's the PDF file. We can also save notes, and this note would be for this particular page. So if we're on page 1 and we type in a note, say note for page 1. If we scroll down, you'll notice it disappears because it's page 2. But if we scroll back up, it reappears. Same thing with links. We can add different links to different websites if we want with a description. So if we want to add a coolest website ever, which is, of course, ProfitTigerSystems.com. And click OK. And then we can edit here. We can delete it, or we can click this little button. And that's per page 2. So if we go down, you can see it disappears. So we'll save that. And we could add a spreadsheet for additional information. So we got a fully blown spreadsheet that we can do charts and all sorts of really cool things. And you'll notice right here we have all of our documents open right here, so we can thumb through each document that we want, and we can go back home to the main document. So if we want to close that up, we can just click the close button, and that'll take it off the... So there's quite a bit you can do with this. This is basically allows you to work on your project, add files as needed, and attach them to that particular project. Now you can have multiple projects. So if we click the open button, we can see we have, like this is right here, that we have other projects that we have. So each of these projects can have its own documents attached to it. So documents attached in TestDoc will not be in the other projects. But we can also look at all of our documents by clicking the Documents pad. This is all the documents for our TestDoc project. So we can easily access this way as well. And you can share this with other people by clicking the share button, which will create a installation file that your coworkers, or you could sell it and they all have to install it, and it'll pop up with this document and all the attached documents for it. So I think it's something that could really speed up our content creation quite a bit.